All right, let's see what we got going on over here. For those who's trying to replace the ball joints from your BDS Rapid Control Arm, let me see if I can do a quick, straightforward tutorial how to do it. So, number one, remove the Rapid Control Arm. So now we have it on the bench. Let's remove the clamp right here, the snap ring, and then the tip cap. Okay, snap ring is coming loose. Now flip the full arm over, and you're gonna find a little groove on this cap right there. So grab a little pro bar, flathead screwdriver, and pop the cap off. All right, so cap is off. Let me show you how I have my vise set up. Ball joint puller. Vise comes very clutch for this type of job. So what we're gonna be using is gonna be a disc on the lower side, and then we're gonna find a cup wide enough so you can just pop it through. All right, so the way we have it, this is the lower side from the control arm. So the ball joint is actually pointing that way. So I'll put a disc small enough to push this way to pop, because it actually comes out. And then another disc big enough just to give me the space. So let me try to do this and show you how it looks. All right, I'm gonna try it. My wife is gonna use the impact very quick so I can keep recording even though I'm doing her job. So go for it, baby. Go, what you do. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. And now just pop. Now let's just plug this up all the way. And what do you have here? A messed up ball joint. So let's put a new one on. So we'll clean it up, re-grease it. We're gonna be using this cup to push it in, and we're gonna use this cup with a disc, if I can find my disc back, to push it through. So let me show you how. Okay, so new ball joint. It has a grease fitting, but I'm not gonna put it on yet because I had to push on it. So it's gonna go in like so, all the way through. So I'm gonna be using this cup on top of it to push it through, and then something big enough that it will clear the other end. All right, so this is what we're working with. So we put solid cap to push in, one long enough, center, not damaging the boot or anything for the new ball joint, and you can see it's gonna go straight back. So went all the way through. Very important. If you see the seam right there, that's where the new snap ring is gonna go. So that way you know it's all the way through. All right, so new snap ring is in. It's so good you can even see it, but it's right there. So grease up. We're gonna flip it over. We're about to install the grease fitting, grease it up, and then seal it one more time. All right, so grease fitting is on, grease up. Cap is about to go on, but you can see it's missing the O-ring. Keep comes with a new one, so make sure it goes on it. Put it back in there. Trusty hammer. Couple of love taps. Let's try again. Beautiful. And just like that, we're ready to install it. To install it in the car and on the truck, I'm pretty sure it's pretty straightforward for everybody. Very important, don't forget your caddy pins. Caddy pins can save your life. Other than that, just like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment behind. And then we're trying to help you out as much as we can. Thank you so much. You be safe.